All right, everyone, we're here with Flat Out Frank after a tough weekend at SOFR. I got to be honest, Frank, you look a little bit dead. Tell me a little bit about your weekend.
Well, you know, Jeremiah, I'm going to tell you what, it's been a real fun time, but my legs are killing me. This car is way too small. I didn't have a co-driver running these roads.
Yeah, we get that. We saw you out there without one. You know, luckily we changed the rules a little bit for Frank. All right, Frank, tell me a little bit about something you loved this weekend, maybe on the stages.
Well, I'm going to tell you, Jeremiah, I love the stages in Southern Ohio. They have got to be some of the best in the United States.
Well, Frank, we really appreciate hearing that. We think so, too. All right, so everybody wants to know, right? We know that we have the great roads. Like, tell me a little bit about something that maybe not so great about the weekend, Frank.
Well, I got to tell you, you know what? There's just a lot of dust, man. It gets everywhere. It really dries my skin out something fierce. And you know what? I just really want to know if I could find some all-natural soap. I mean, you know, the soap that is made the old school way. Because I have got to find a way to KO this funk.
Yeah, you know, Frank, and you're in luck because we just partnered up with the KO Soap Company made out of Kingston, Ohio, the old-fashioned way. Really KO that funk. So right now you can get a limited edition bar of SOFR soap that smells like victory, whether you did or did not cross that finish line. So go out to SOFR store and get your soap today.
Wait, homie! I tell you what, this soap is great.
Been racing? Got dusty? Get clean with the limited edition SOFR soap from KO Soap Company. Stages early and start your shopping. Don't forget SOFRstore.com. Actually, it's not SOFRstore.com. All right, Frank, tell me a little bit about what you loved. Hey, if you're ready to start the holiday shopping early, don't forget the state. God.